Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of Solana, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys' support on a continuous basis. So if we're looking at Solana on the daily time frame, we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, down about 3%, and that might come as a shock to a lot of people because we're seeing altcoins absolutely exploding right now because we did see Bitcoin dominance going down a little bit, which is giving altcoins a massive foot push, as we can see right now. But if you're looking at Solana, it's down about 3%, but nothing to worry about because if you're looking at Solana on the weekly time frame, it's up 26.6%, and on the monthly time frame, we're up 32.2%. And before anyone comes out and says, oh well, why is WLD token or Pepe or Floki outpacing Solana? Come on, guys, you really need to realize what the difference between the two are. Solana is one of the top 5 projects in the crypto space. Meanwhile, these projects are nowhere in the top 5. So the market valuation and of course what the project does, the fundamentals are completely different. And of course if you're an OG crypto investor, you really understand how crypto works, you might not be asking this question, but there's a lot of new money coming into the space, and that question could be on a lot of people's mind. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there before people even come out and ask that question. But let's take a look at Solana. So if you're looking at the price of Solana as of March 2nd, of course it's past midnight here in North America. We're seeing Solana kind of sitting at $129.65, seeing a minor retracement, as I've said, about 2% over the past 24 hours in USD and BTC comparative. Now if we're looking at its market cap, $57.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4.3 billion, which is not bad at all. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off with this. So people that are farming on Drift protocol and earning points, this is really important. So you could see Solana's Drift protocol point season is ending soon, before the airdrop in April. So complete guide to maximize your allocation. If you want to kind of look at that, this is a really great article to kind of go over. Shout out to Solana Floor. If you want to see this article, you go on Solana Floor, at Solana Floor on Twitter, and you will be able to get this information. It's really informative, especially if you're already farming and want to maximize your points. This is something you kind of want to take a look at. And of course you can see Austin Federa came out and said, Solana summer is still months away. Bundle up. So, as we know, the market is absolutely exploding. SPL tokens are absolutely killing it right now. But that begs the question. Hold on. Wait, are we already in a Solana summer? Because to be quite frank with you, let's go back late 2024 quarter 4, especially November and December. We've seen SPL tokens really gaining traction since then. So you guys might be wondering, wait, is SPL tokens not already in Solana summer? Absolutely not, because that is coming out of complete bear market cycle, and Solana itself as a native token, as a chain itself, is coming out massive fought after. Of course the FTX crash, the impact due to that. So these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But this is really interesting take. Do let me know in the comments what you think. I personally think yes, the biggest indication how I think Solana summer hasn't even started is because when I look at the overall DeFi, and I've been indicating this for quite some time. If you're looking at Solana's DeFi all-time high, that's around 10 billion, if I'm not mistaken, from the previous cycle. We're nowhere near that right now, and that should just give you an indication how much potential we have just to retest all-time high itself for the total value locked for its overall DeFi. So that's that, of course. And looking at the decentralized platform, so you can see out of the top 3 decentralized exchanges, 2 of them are Solana based exchanges, which are Jupiter Exchange and Orca. Collectively, both Solana decentralized exchanges now hold 27.6% of the overall market share by volume. Put that into perspective. This is something I've been indicating for quite some time. If you did watch my Jupiter update, I kind of indicated this. We kind of took a look at it at a closer time scale to really understand how important think this is, and what is this telling us? Is this just telling us people are interested in Jupiter or Orca, or just to use the platform? Why is this the case? People are interested in Solana's ecosystem. So this is really, really good stuff. So going back to what I said, the Solana summer, Solana summer is far, far away. You can see this for yourself. 10.02 billion was the total value locked in terms of its all-time high, and right now we're currently sitting at 2.5. We still have about a few more ways to go to reach that. If we're looking at its price has already gone to half of its all-time high. So we're literally halfways until the all-time high is being retested. So to be with all fairness, we could start making the speculation, should the Solana total value lock, its DeFi supposed to be around 5 billion right now? That's where the fun begins. That's where the speculation. And honestly speaking, with the momentum, with the amount of money that is flowing from other chains into Solana, that is not even, an unrealistic expectation to have, in my personal opinion. Especially if Solana starts heading more towards the upside, 5 billion total value locked would be something insane. And what do you think that would do to the Solana overall DeFi? That would make Solana's DeFi pop even more. So that's of course something that we need to keep in mind. So we're looking at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance seeing a little bit of a minor pullback today, which is causing a lot of altcoins to explode, especially meme coins. But if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin holding really, really good. Of course, if you watch my other updates, I kind of indicated that in there. You're seeing BTC closing its March 1st daily candle above 62,500, which is really nice, of course. And as I've indicated in my other updates, if Bitcoin holds around here, Monday could be really exciting. And this upcoming week, we could even potentially retest the 64,900 key resistance mark. And of course, that would be a huge statement as well. But definitely insane momentum, to say the least, which has taken the entire world by shock at this point. Everyone is talking about crypto. People you don't even expect to talk about crypto are talking about this massive move from Bitcoin that we have just seen. So now let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Solana. So Solana, like I've said earlier, is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. I want to kind of take a look at it on the hourly time frame today. So what you're looking at Solana do is, of course, seeing a little bit of a minor pullback after going all the way up to $137, which was its previous which was its new yearly high. So now if we're bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that's seen a retracement of about 7% since yesterday. Is this something to worry about? Absolutely not. Of course, we are going to see pullbacks like this. We do tend to see a lot of longs and shorts being liquidated day by day. Manipulation does tend to occur. But if you really have your vision set, if you know what your overall goals are, you don't want to get shaken out during these types of moves, because these types of fluctuations will always happen. This is what I want you guys to really understand. But what's the next support line? If you are curious, the next support is around $126.47, which was our previous yearly high for the month of December. That is a key support line. So we could potentially retest there if we do see a little bit more downside. But where you want to see Sol price sitting at is above this key resistance, which is at exactly $129.57. And I personally think we will be easily able to get past that resistance in the next few hours to come. But so far so good. Really liking what I'm seeing. The fact that we're literally halfway to all-time highs is mind-boggling, to say the least. But of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.